My name is Dan Oddie, Engineering and Technical Sales for Detroit Speed, and today we're going to show our Detroit Speed C3 LS engine side pipe headers. These Detroit Speed headers were designed and engineered to work with our SpeedRay front suspension on the C3 Corvettes, and our friends at Pro Fabrication did an excellent job piecing these header kits together. We start with a 1/2-inch thick stainless steel CNC machined exhaust flange with manual bent 1 7/8" primary stainless steel tubes, and the whole assembly is hand TIG welded by ProFab. A key feature to these side pipe headers is the 4-inch 4-way merge collector that accepts the hooker side pipes that are offered on our website. To complete the total package with these side pipe headers along with the Detroit Speed SpeedRay front suspension, we also offer Detroit Speed C3 LS engine mounts seen in the description below. To learn more about our Corvette products, give our sales and technical staff a call at 704-662-3272 or visit us at DetroitSpeed.com.